All right. Hello. Good afternoon. Let's do an update review for today. It's September 8, 2023, and it's a Friday. So basically, we just finished the very first trading week of this month. Next week gonna be a huge week for us, right? Let's look at the calendar. CBOE, Chicago Board of Option Exchange. So next week we have the option expiration day. So it's the third Friday of the month, and also next week we have a CPI come out. So next week we have a CPI, I think will be 13, will be on Wednesday. Next week will be on Wednesday. All right, look at today. You see that the SPY is gain 0.15% and the volume is about 53 million shares. So this volume is low, right? It's a Friday, so it kept low. You see we have a volume right here is of 43, and the average volume for the last 60 days 74. So it's kept low for today. And today we also have the IV, which is in blind. Volatilities is 15-13. It's kept low right there, so that means today it's not gonna make a lot of big move right there. So let me see, 14, 13, and the volume is 58, 4412. That's the volume. We want to capture that number. So today is basically is a very range day, right? You see the open right here, and it's just go up there, and then at the close is moved a little bit down, and then it move up. So it's close above the open. But if you look at the 4-hour time frame, it tells you some story right there. So before today, we identify, this is a bearish order block, and at one point is go way above that. However, it's ended up is close just below that bearish order block right there. And right here, this candle at 13 hour also close below that. So let's see. Somehow we can see that this bearish setup, the short setup still playing out, right? It not close above that and then retest. It not doing that today. Maybe we will do on Monday. But so far we can see that this short setup is still valid. Then what is the long setup for us? The long setup first, we can see that right here is the market structure shift right there, make a higher low, and you can count this at another higher low, or we have to wait for another day right here to make a high low in order to confirm that the market structure really shift right there. Yeah. So basically we want to see how it play out on Monday, right? If it's really bullish, we want to it's really break through this level with a huge displacement fair value gap and then a retest so we can go long. That's the long scenario. The short scenario is that it's gonna be open below this one. You can treat this as another bearish order block. Basically it's gonna come down. The bearish scenario are gonna be this open right here, right? Yeah, open like that and down, something like that. Yeah, the scenario we want to see. Maybe, yeah, open like that. And then retracement right there. And then all the way down, check this. So really the bullish scenario is that it's gonna be right here and go all the way with the huge displacement back up and retest this area, and then it's going up. Maybe take the query around this. That's two scenarios we see how it's gonna play out next Monday, because next week gonna be a very important week, because we have a CPI coming at 13, right? 13, 12, right here, yeah, 13. So it's around this level. Or today, this day, the CPI gonna release on Wednesday, September 13, Wednesday, at 8:30 Eastern time, right now. Okay, so now let's review the trade that we could have checked for today. Alright, the first trade we take is, we see it on a 4-hour time frame, right? We see the short setup, so we want to go in short setup on a 4-hour time frame right here. We say, okay, this is the auto block, fabric up, and this is a retest, so we're gonna short them when they go there. And let's see how we enter. Yes, so basically we anticipate it's gonna retest this one at least, right? So set up and we enter it around 954. Let's go back to the chart. 1 minute time frame. Let's see where's our 1 minute time frame, right here. So 954 is where we're going. 954 right here, we're going right here. As soon as it's going to our direction, if keep falling, however it retests this fair value gap, and that's it. So our anticipate is right, it go around this area, but then after that it going up. That means this long setup really play out very good, because this is a bullish breaker and fair value gap, so it's a unicorn setup right there. So the long setup is still valid, and it go up. It take all the buy side right here. So then we see that means that the long setups work better than the short setup. Let's look at the, so the long setup, that means we have to treat this as a bullish breaker and the fair value gap, which is a unicorn setup right there. And we see that the sell side liquidity were taken, and we see the buy side liquidity were trapped right there. So it's a good setup to go in right here. So the long setup we go in right here, we know that it's gonna go around this area. It did, but we have to move if we want to test out the idea. Then we have to move the stop loss to break even, just in case we are wrong, and it did, and we end up get stop loss hit. So that's the lesson learned for us. If we see the target is too close, right? It's right here too close. It doesn't make sense that we take the trade. Right? We don't want tomorrow stop loss. So right here, we don't see the good idea to short them, because it's very close to the target of a very strong bullish setup right here. So try not to do that next time. Don't short them here. Go long. Go long will have a better risk reward ratio. And another reason we have to go long right here, because also on 5 minutes give us the same idea. So 1 minute and 5 minutes give us, the long setup right there. So you have a bearish bullish breaker, huge fair value gap, and a retest right there. But here we see the buy side liquidity trap at this level also. So it's gonna go up, and we put our stop loss just below this bullish breaker right there, 5 cents. So we have both 1 minute and 5 minutes, give a setup. And also on 4 minutes, if we look carefully, we see also a setup, because it's the first high or low. So it can show you it's a market structure shift right there. So the next logic for it to go is gonna go up around here, and it may try to break it. Right now, take the sell side right there. So we give it the idea that we can go long right at open, and our target gonna be the buy side liquidity will trap right there. You see it make a low high right here, then for sure it's gonna go in and take all this buy side liquidity. So basically on 3 times time give it a long setup, a bullish setup, much better than the short setup. So we have to we have to evaluate 2 options, one short, one long. And if the long have a better logic, the better reason behind it, then we go long. Yep. And you have a better risk reward right there also. So that's 2 trades that we review. Okay, now let's go back to the charts and see. Okay, for the DR today, you see that the implied DR high and implied low, and the range right here. So before we start the first hour trading, we thought that okay, it's gonna be retracement and then boom, go up. It did retrace, but it did not go further than it, not even break the, it didn't even break the implied value gap. Just right there. It didn't create it didn't break it didn't reach 0.5 standard deviation right there, and then it keep going down right here. So right here it can give a short setup, right? And this is a retirement setup. Basically it swing one way to all the way down here. So you can have retirement setup. You see the auto block value gap. You can trick this at the retest right there, right here. Yeah, risk error, it tests 2 times right there. So you can use this at the source setup. You see the fair value gap and you see the huge value gap right here also, and this is the retest. Value gap and a retest. I think the best is going right here around 12:30. Let's just a screenshot of this setup. Is based on the TR, right? And also it's confluent with the ICT model, right? So we say auto block, fair value gap, retest, and it's also a DR retirement setup. And what do we have? Yeah, we did have a sell side liquidity were taken, okay, and we say that buy side were trapped. No, this is sell side. I mean the buy side liquidity were taken from this way, but for the immediate term it did not. So we still give it a buy side were taken, and then we have sell side keyword drop, and our stop loss is gonna be above this guy, 5 cents above this last swing line right there. This stop loss is 5 cents. Hold on, I want to make sure that we are good right here. Let's get out of this for now. I want to see how much we're gonna okay, I want to see how much we are gonna reach, right? So let's say we go in at lit level. Yes, it's still good. Yes, 5 cents above this. So what is this one? Okay, 4711. So we want it to be sitting right there. Okay, we reach about 52 cents, and then our target gonna be at least around 8 open, right? Open at 9:30, right, at this level. So we reach not bad. We reach so 52 cents and then 182. So it's 0.52 and then 182. So it's like almost 1 to 4, but it's 1 to 3 ratio. So it's a legitimate trade right there. Okay, and then now I want to see. Now let's take a screenshot of this. So we have auto block. Hold on. I think we did this. Alright, now try to set the screenshot again right here. And now we're gonna put the text. Okay, so basically like that, and our reward ratio is about 1 to 3, right? We reach Rasmus right there. Well, we see that the buy side here were taken right here, right? And then we have the sell side here were trapped. We trapped right there. See that? Boom, go down. And when it pull back, we should not get out. We should stay in our trade. No more stop loss. Boom, it's going down right there. Oh, okay. Our entry is at this right here. I think it's at 12:05. No, not 12:05. 12:25 something. Hold on, let's see. Let do again. I want to check the time frame. 12:20. Alright, let's try again. Alright, try one more time again. We should Alright, we should get this done. Really right here. And the risk reward ratio is about 1:3. We reach 52 cents. And the entry time for us is 12:20. And we have a buy side we were taken and sell side we were trapped. You can see that over here. Yep. That's the beautiful setup right there. So that's the one we need to working on. We need to recognize when it forms in real time. So that's our end goal right there. So right now we identify after it forms. Our next target is we identify when it's forming, and the next level is gonna be when it's about to form right there. So this one is on 5 minutes. So we put in here and the always so far is 1 2 3. It's a very good trade right there. And yeah, the entry time is 12:20. Alright, let's look at the 1 minute. Oh, I actually at 1 hour you can see that the bullet still playing out. You see, it make a higher low the very first time right here, and then it make another higher low. So let's see, maybe it can be out. You see this pattern that we are talking about. So it make 2 high low, it break the structure right here, it make a high low, right? Let's see, yes, right there, it break the structure right there, high low right there, you see that? And it break the structure right here, also high low, you see that? Okay, it break the structure, market shift break the structure, and then right here it break the structure also. So on the 1 hour it bullets right now, see that? So it make a second high low and a second high break the structure right there. And let's see, so that in that sense that next week it's gonna come out, it's gonna take the buy side liquid right here, and then the retest, boom, go up. That's the bullish scenario we're gonna play out right there. Okay, I want to point out right here on the 1 minute time frame, where is my 1 minute time frame? It's mixing. Okay, right here. I want to see the beautiful setup right here, but we don't see it. We didn't recognize that, but now we look back, we see. You see, right here it start make the structure shift right here. It make high low. That means it confirm you and make a high right here. It confirm you it's gonna go up high right here, and then when is this manipulation right here all the way to retest this, and then boom, and go up. So the perfect for us to go in is around this time. That means we have to get up early and trade into pre-market right there, but it's how the setup, you know, playing out right here. You see right there, at least it make 2 high low right there, and it breaks this structure, then boom, the retest right here, and then it's continued to go up right here. The retest right here, you see the retest, 2 leg for retest, boom, retracement, boom, and then it going up. Yeah, it do similar the same right there. boom, and then go up. So we miss the long setup around here on the 1 minute. Because we saw that it checked out the high of prior day, right, which is on Thursday. So that means the market structure already shift. It's gonna, the algo gonna go higher. But before it do that, it do a last manipulation moving down. Check all the sell side liquidity. You see it drop a lot of sell side liquidity right here. Yeah, it dropped a lot of sell side liquidity right here, and it take a huge sell side liquidity. You see that? All the sell side liquidity right here. It's taking it. See, boom, take it, and then it bounce back. It do another manipulation move right here, because it's also drop all the buy side sell side right here. Boom, moving down. But however, right here it respects this low. Alright, I think that's it for today and for this week. Talk to you later. Bye for now.